So if you like me and you struggle with creating resumes and you didn't have that much work experience because you were an athlete or you just didn't have the time to do a lot of things that other people typically had to do, then you're in luck because today I found the best website to help you create a resume within 5 minutes and it's completely free. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith Watson II, and I help athletes in their sport and in day-to-day living just be successful and teach them different tips and tricks that I wish I would have known just going along the way to help me achieve all the goals that I wanted to achieve. And today, we're going to start out by talking about this website that was a game changer for me that helped me create and build a resume that looked pretty good. And I'm a firm believer in people just being, visual learners. So let's just jump straight into it, man, and show you guys this trick, this wonderful, beautiful website that I found that helped me get to where I am today. This website is called Wonsulting AI, and it's a master website. I mean, it's got everything done for you, and you could just see here, it's got a full suite of AI job tools. And yeah, man, let's just walk through it and let's just get it done. So I'm gonna go here and let's just go get started for free. Yes, we accept. Let's go. Who am I? I'm a student. I'm located in Houston, Texas. I can't spell. You don't got to put your phone number in there unless you just absolutely want to, but click continue. You're an undergrad. Let's just say West Virginia University. It even pops up with just type your school in there. It's going to pop up. Boom, degree. Let's just say I'm a bachelor's of, applied science, even though I know damn well I didn't do no bachelor's of applied science, but let's just say I'm a bachelor of applied science. Expected graduation date, let's go December of this year. Continue. Currently working? No, I'm not currently working. Looking for a new job? Yes, we are looking for a job. As soon as possible. You know what? Let's go 1 to 3 months. Let's just say entry level. Continue. No, we don't want to spend money because I said this is free. So click no, hit finish. No thanks. Begin. So boom, boom, it's going to pretty much walk you through everything, the cover letter, networking, the auto apply to job feature that they have on there. You just want to hit finish with all of that unless you want to sit there and read through all of that. But if you like me, I'm impatient. I ain't got time to read through all that. I just want to create a resume and start applying to these jobs. So boom, here we go. You got the resume builder. Let's go to build this resume, man. Welcome, begin. So got bullet points right here. Create the bullet points where you can essentially put in your role. And just it'll generate bullet points and give you a great summary of your experience in that role that you were in to put on there. It looks great, man. Amazing. Of course, your education, and then you can add a couple sections at the bottom, text editor just to switch it up a little bit, format the page, keyboard commands, yes, yada, yada. And then, of course, at the end, you could download your resume in a PDF form or a document form. So let's just go up here. Yeah, let's just say I'm from Toronto, Ontario. Put your phone number in, your email. You could even have your LinkedIn linked into your resume as well in the PDF file, so they could just click on your resume and it goes straight to your LinkedIn account. But let's just say I was work experience. Boom, here it is, Smoothie King. And let's just say I led a group of individuals to reach team goal, right? Because majority of us were athletes. If not, you're an athlete. You work with many different individuals from all over the world, and y'all had one goal that you're trying to accomplish, and that's either to win or to make the business better. So hit generate. You see here, it's got the generated bullet points, coordinated and motivated a team of 10 employees to achieve a sales goal of 10,000 in 1 month by surpassing the target by 20%. I mean, that just sounds amazing. It just looks wonderful to put on a resume for those recruiters that are looking at, whoever the hiring managers that are looking at your resume. It's just amazing, man. And all you got to do is hit that plus sign to add that on there, and boom, you're done. Of course, you got other features in here. You can back out and just go down the list, man. Of course, put your university, your degree, your graduation date, and then just go through whatever other experiences that you have, whether it's, the Heart Walk Association, whatever it may be, feeding the homeless, things like that, that you could just add into your resume, even if you had a summer internship with whatever company it may be. I know a lot of times, like I said, that's tough being an athlete because a lot of us had to stay on campus and work out the whole summer. But, go through here, man, and just read and fill in where necessary. And I just want to show y'all this other cool feature that they have. A lot of people don't have cover letters because nobody wants to spend the time to format and structure a cover letter the way that they need to. So here they have a create a cover letter section. So let's just begin. Of course, I already had one. Let's just start with scratch. Of course, they got a section here where you could upload your resume, and it'll actually create the cover letter for you based on your resume. But let's just say we don't have a resume because we're starting from scratch and yours just looks terrible. So let's just go here. Start from, you want to be a software in, entry level software engineer. The previous role, you were a college athlete. Target company, everybody wants to work for Google. I mean, who wouldn't want to work for Google? Boom. Skills, communication, let's say subnetting, and leadership, because everybody wants to be a leader, right? Hit generate. And man, I mean, I'm literally just rolling through this, rambling through this. I haven't even sat down and taken the time to actually, go through each individual bullet point and write down based on my personal experiences. And you can see how quickly this cover letter has came up. It's got your name, of course, all the other information, email, LinkedIn. It's got the prompts that you can follow. Summary of candidates' experiences relevant for an entry-level software engineer role at Google. You just read through this. The candidate had previous experience as a college athlete, which demonstrates their commitment, discipline, and ability to work in a team. I mean, you just go down the list, man. It's got different things here. The letter to the hiring manager about your interest in that role. And it's just amazing. Then at the end of all of that, you could just come over here and click download. And it gives you the option to download it in PDF form. And man, I mean, that's literally takes you less than 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes max, if you just want to go through and, edit any little thing that you have on the resume that you want to add on. But I just believe that that's just an awesome, awesome tool that you could use, as an athlete, not even as an athlete. Let's just say you're a regular student in college and you just caught up because you have a ton of different things to do and you may be stuck. You may not know what to add on your resume. You may not know how to format it in bullet points, your experience based on something like, simple as working at Smoothie King in the summertime just to bring in some extra income. But that Wonsulting AI tool is a great tool that I use personally to help me format my resume, that I know a couple other people have used as well that are very, very successful in their careers. And I just believe that it makes no sense to have all these tools available to use and not to use them. Just use them wisely. Everybody has things that they have going on. Everybody has a life outside of sports, outside of college, outside of work, where they're at. And this is just a tool that you can use to help speed up that process, to get you whatever you want to need, whatever job it is that you're looking for. And, I pray that you get that job that you're looking for, man. And that's all I got for y'all today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and like. I'm starting a new series where I'm going to push out as much content as I can to just give you different tips and tricks that you could use to help you achieve the goals that you want to achieve in a timely manner. Peace out.